Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best argon tank is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious MIG welder, ensuring a clean and stable weld by providing the necessary shielding gas to protect the molten weld pool from atmospheric contamination, which is absolutely vital for achieving strong, spatter-free, and aesthetically pleasing results in all your fabrication and repair projects. Number 5. BETOOLL Argon CO2 Flowmeter Gas Regulator. Introducing the brand new BETOOLL Argon CO2 Regulator and Flowmeter. This device offers superior accuracy compared to standard flow gauge regulators. It features a pressure gauge that accurately displays remaining gas from 0 to 4000 psi. This ensures you always know your gas levels. Unlike other regulators, this model does not use a diaphragm, making it a more reliable choice. You can trust its consistent performance. The output flow is easily adjustable, ranging from 10 to 60 cubic feet per hour. This allows for precise control over your welding gas. An easy-to-read ball in the flow tube visually indicates the current flow rate. This provides clear and immediate feedback on gas delivery. It comes with a standard CGA 580 inlet connection for easy compatibility. Setup is straightforward and convenient. What we like. This regulator offers superior accuracy with its flow meter design, eliminating the diaphragm for enhanced reliability. If you're looking for a dependable and precise gas flow control for your welding projects, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize accuracy and long-term performance. What people say. This tank is a great value for the price. It arrived quickly and was exactly as described. I was able to get welding right away with this tank. Number 4. YESWELDER Argon Regulator for MIG TIG Weld. Connect to your argon, helium, and CO2 tanks with ease. Its CGA 580 inlet ensures a secure and straightforward attachment to compatible tanks. This regulator offers multiple connection possibilities. It fits both female 9/16 by 18 nuts and male 5/8 by 18 fittings, plus includes a 1/4 barbed fitting. Achieve accurate gas metering with its adjustable flow gauge, ranging from 10 to 60 CFH. The clear indicator ball provides precise readings for your welding needs. Built to last in tough environments, it's constructed from high-quality brass. This ensures durability and reliable performance for all your welding projects. The package includes the regulator, a 6.6-foot hose, a hose clamp, and a mounting nut. You'll have everything needed to use it confidently right away. Designed specifically for MIG and TIG welding applications, it provides an economical yet accurate solution. It's perfect for demanding users who need precise gas control. What we like. With its versatile outlet connectors and included hose, this regulator offers great convenience right out of the box. If you need a ready-to-go solution with flexible fitting options for your MIG or TIG welding, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for users who want a complete package with easy setup. What people say. This tank is a great value for the price. It arrived quickly and was exactly as described. The tank is well made and feels very sturdy. Number 3. YESWELDER Welding Gas Flowmeter Regulator. Achieve accurate and stable shielding gas setup with our advanced welding gas flowmeter. It ensures minimal gas loss for efficient and reliable performance. Connect seamlessly to various gas tanks like argon and CO2 without extra adapters. It's perfect for MIG TIG welding, industrial, and electronics applications. Easily monitor your gas flow rate with a clear square tube display and a large pressure gauge. Get precise control over your gas supply for optimal results. Features flexible connection options to fit most welding hoses and equipment. Adapted easily to your existing setup with standard fittings. This all-in-one unit combines a regulator and flow meter in a durable brass construction. Enjoy stable gas output and corrosion resistance for long-lasting use. Everything you need is included in the package for quick and convenient installation. Start welding without any extra purchases. What we like. This unit boasts leak-proof connections and an integrated design for a stable and sealed gas supply. If you're working in applications where minimal gas loss and a robust, durable setup are critical, this regulator is highly recommended. It's especially suitable for demanding industrial and chemical processing environments. What people say. The tank is a good size for home use. It arrived quickly and was well packaged. The Argon Tank is a great value for the price. Number 2. RX-Weld Argon Regulator. Introducing the RX-Weld Argon Regulator, designed for precise gas control in your MIG and TIG welding projects. It ensures you have the right flow for optimal results. This regulator features a CGA 580 inlet, making it compatible with a wide range of argon, helium, and CO2 tanks. Attaching it is simple and secure. It offers multiple outlet connectors, including fittings for both 9/16 and 5/8 connections, plus a 1/4 barb. This versatility ensures it meets your specific setup needs. Built with high-quality brass for durability, it includes an accurate gas flow gauge adjustable from 10 to 60 CFH. The clear indicator lets you monitor flow with ease. The package comes with everything you need, including the regulator, a hose clamp, and a mounting nut. RX-Weld provides complete accessories for your convenience and confidence. This Flowmeter is an economical yet highly accurate solution for demanding welding applications. It provides precise gas metering, enhancing the quality of your welds. What we like. This regulator provides accurate gas metering at an economical price point, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users. If you're a demanding customer who still requires precise gas control for MIG and TIG welding without breaking the bank, this is the one to consider. It offers great value for its performance. What people say. This tank is a great value for the price. The tank arrived quickly and was exactly as described. I was very happy with the quality of the tank. Number 1. CGA 580 Argon CO2 Regulator with Hose. This versatile regulator is designed for a wide range of gas tanks, including argon, helium, and CO2. It provides accurate regulation of gas flow, making it perfect for various welding applications. Constructed with a brass body and a polycarbonate flow tube, this regulator is built to last. The large T-shaped handle allows for effortless pressure adjustment by hand. Featuring a clear pressure gauge with a measuring range of 0 to 4,500 psi, you can precisely monitor your gas flow. The included 6.6-foot hose ensures your tank stays at a safe distance. With an internal safety relief design and a smooth adjustment knob, it ensures safe and reliable operation. The dual gauges are easy to read for your convenience. You will receive one CGA 580 regulator and a 6.6-foot hose. We also offer a 30-day warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Featuring a wide pressure gauge range and a generous 6.6-foot hose, this regulator allows for safe and flexible positioning of your gas tank. If you need to maintain a good distance between your tank and your welding project, or require precise pressure readings up to 4,500 psi, this is an ideal option. It's great for users who value safety and extended reach. What people say. The tank arrived in perfect condition and was ready to go. This tank is a great value for the price and performs as expected. It's a standard size and fits perfectly in my welding cart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.